A small band of Australopithecus. Afarensis moves swiftly through the tall golden grass of the African savanna. A female clutches a newborn close to her chest while others forage for roots, their sharp flakes of stone striking against hardened soil. Two males watch the horizon. Shoulders tense, movement stirs beyond the acacias. Survival never allows rest. Suddenly the band halts. A ripple runs through the grass, low and deliberate. From the shadows emerges a great predator, a saber-toothed cat. Its fangs gleaming, muscles taut with hunger. The band scatters, children hoisted onto backs, elders dragged by the arms. The predator lunges. One male thrusts a crude stone shard forward, not to kill, but to buy a heartbeat of time. Dust erupts, screams of birds scatter above. The tribe escapes toward a cluster of rocks, breathing ragged, bodies trembling. The newborn wails, but it is alive. Safety is fleeting. Clouds gather, thick and bruised. A storm surges without warning. Wind lashes against them, rain hammering the dry earth into rivers of mud. Lightning splits a tree nearby, fire bursting into the storm's heart. Now the tribe faces two dangers, the flood beneath, their feet and fire above their heads. They huddle in a shallow cave, mothers pressing herbs to scraped skin, males sharpening stones against rock. The storm swallows the plains, reshaping the land overnight. When the storm clears, a new challenge awaits. Another band, rival hominins, approaches the same water source. Their eyes narrow, bodies tense, each tribe clutching their meager tools. The savanna is vast, but water is scarce. For a long moment, silence dominates. The air thick with primal choice, fight, flee, or share. A gesture from one elder, open palms, a slow nod, turns the tide. Both tribes drink side by side, though unease remains. But predators do not wait for peace. As the sun sinks, casting red over the plains, hyenas circle, drawn to weakness. One rushes in, snapping at a child. Instinct erupts. Both tribes, once rivals, surge as one, stones fly, sticks pound. Voices roar primal defiance. The hyena yelps and flees into darkness, leaving behind a tribe stronger, more united. Night falls. Around a small fire, damp grasses still steaming from the storm. The two bands share roots, roasted insects, and silence heavy with meaning. The newborn sleeps against its mother's chest, tiny breaths steady. For this night, the tribe endures. They have faced predator, storm, and rival, each trial carving them closer to what humanity will one day become. The savanna stretches endlessly, unforgiving and eternal. But in this moment of unity, survival is more than instinct. It is story. It is legend. It is life itself.